it so the tuner could, do it. Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing KiwiCo, again, Eureka crate this time. Today I'm going to be building my wooden ukulele, and it includes everything you need. You can connect with them on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. There's tutorials and many other things. And let's open this crate up so we can start. So it looks like this is what I'm going to be making today. It's a very thick guide. Awesome, it's a 4-string ukulele. There's tuning pieces and everything. Wow. There's some, that's for the string, I think. Some stuff. More stuff. Even more stuff. That's the tuning pieces, looks like. And more stuff. Wow. And my favorite, green tissue paper. Anyway, let's get that box out of here. And I'm not going to be if you see my other KiwiCo videos, I'm not going to be telling you what I'm going to be doing. Is doing the steps. I'm going to be doing a zoom through. It's fast forward, and I'll see at the end where I'll play the ukulele, although I don't know how to play it. So I finished my ukulele finally. In 3 hours, I finally finished it. So instead of using the tuning app that the directions recommended, we used my father's guitar tuner. It works fairly well. There, it's tuning itself. So I had really fun with this, but one part that I got not confused necessarily, but a bit difficult is pulling the string and tying it so the tuner could, do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and press the like button, and meet me with Brown Thursdays again in my other videos. Bye!